Warm greetings everyone. So in this video I am going to explain you about how we can insert a node after a given node. Suppose this is my linked list. In my linked list I am having 3 nodes, 5, 7, some 6. This is my linked list and we all know very well always our linked list the first node will be pointed by head pointer. Yes. So now I am going to insert a node after a given node. The first thing we should get after which node we are going to insert. Suppose I am going to insert a node after 7. So my element is, that means my element E is 7. After 7 I am going to insert a node. Yes. So but we know only the head pointer address. So we have to traverse until we reach the given element. Yes, or otherwise if we reach the null means then we can conclude that there is no such element is present in my list, so I cannot insert. Yes, so but here my element is present, so I start my traversing from a head pointer. And one important things, while traversing we should not break the link. If you break the link, then whole list will be lost. So that's why the first step, very important step, I am just assigning one temporary PTR is pointed to head. So automatically my PTR will start pointing to this node. And second step, I have to check whether this PTR pointer element is equal to my given node element. So how we can check? Check my PTR pointer data is equal to element. Now my element is 7. Say yes or no. See here, if I am checking whether my PTR pointer data is 5, my 5 is equal to 7. Is equal to 7? No. So if it is no, what I have to do? I should transfer. I have to move my head PTR pointer to pointing to this node. Now this become my PTR. So how we can move my PTR equal to PTR pointer next. So automatically my PTR will be moved here. Now again I have to check this. My PTR pointer data is equal to element. So now what is my PTR pointer data? It is 7. So 7 equal to 7 is 7. So 7 equal to 7. Yes, condition true. If it is condition true, what I have to do? I have to insert a node. So for that I should allocate one new node. Allocate new node as temp. I am just allocating one new node temp. So now this is my new node temp. So I am just assigning my some data to temp pointer data. So temp pointer data is equal to some value, any value. For example, if it is 10, and this initially this will be null. Yes. Then what is our next step? Now this PTR should point this node, and this has to point this node. Yes, but we should not break this link. So how we can do this? Just assign one new temporary variable is pointing to this node. How we can do? My temp 1 equal to PTR pointer next. So automatically my temp 1 will be pointed here. Yes, my PTR is pointed here, my temp 1 is pointed here, my new node is in the name temp. Now it's easy for me to change the link. So simply I can point my PTR to temp, my temp to temp 1. So I can insert. So we can do simple, my PTR pointer next is equal to temp. Now this point, this link will be changed to this. And my next step, my temp pointer next is equal to temp 1. So now this will be pointed here. See, now I am inserting a new node after a given node. So this is the case if the given element is present. If it is not present, I can conclude that we cannot insert a node because the element is not in my list. So how we can write this is in coding, like, so I have to repeat my traverse until I get my PTR pointer data. It is not equal to element and my PTR pointer next not equal to null. Then I have to move my PTR equal to PTR pointer next. So if, see, I'm just moving, I initiate the first time, I'm just making my PTR equal to head. So automatically, now this is my PTR. See here I am checking PTR pointer data is not equal to element, yes, condition true. And also this PTR pointer next not equal to null, yes, this condition is also true. So I am just checking whether the PTR equal to PTR pointer, PTR equal to PTR pointer next. So this will be moved here. Now this is become my PTR, so here also. And now again I am checking. So again I am checking my PTR pointer data is not equal to null. See E. So it is equal to my element because my element is 7. So that this condition is true. So I cannot enter into my while loop. So the while process will be stopped. So I just come out from the loop. See here I have checked two conditions. So that's why because of which conditions I just come out from the loop. That's very important. So here again I am checking if my PTR pointer data is equal to element. Then what are the steps I have to do? I just assign my new node. For example, if my new node is the temp, yes. So my temp is equal to node star malloc of size of node. What is my next step? Then I just assign my temp pointer data equal to some value. And my next step, my temp 1 equal to PTR pointer next. And my PTR pointer next is equal to temp. My temp pointer next is equal to temp 1. See, I have inserted a node. If the condition is, if the loop is stopped because of this condition means, then I can say that particular element is not present. Else, simply I can print element is not present in my list. Not present in the list. That's all. Thank you.